Hello, this is my first video. Today we going to have a look at digital media or digital marketing. In our current reality, uh, more than 170 million individuals of various professional uses social media constantly. In current scenario, if you see in current scenario of every perspective in our daily life, we are surrounded by digital media. Whether you are a business person or a employee or or involved in any kind of profession, you are expected to have moral principles knowledge of digital marketing. Any digital platform businesses or entities or companies uses to promote or market their product or services is considered as digital marketing. Some examples are website, TV channels, search engines like Google, digital media a powerful tool to grow your business or establish your brand identity. By using digital media, you can easily aim and reach to your targeted market or audience. In general, with the invention of digital computers, digital media also came into existence. In every passing days, digital content consumer rate is increasing rapidly. In near future, we'll see in very soon or very near future, we will see traditional marketing will disappear completely, and digital marketing will take over. The digital media or digital marketing terminology was first introduced in 1990s. The digital era started with the beginning of internet and development of World Wide Web platform, which we know as WWW. Uh, User can gather and share information over web. First, clickable banner, a digital banner was launched in 1993. Following that, a few banner ads were purchased by Hotword. This embedded the transition and beginning of digital age of marketing. This progressive transfer introduced new technologies in digital marketplace. And in year 1994, Yahoo search engine was launched. Within the launch of first year, Yahoo gained almost 1 million hits. This drive wholesale evolved in digital marketing sector. In 1996, digital media witnessed more search engine and launch of more search engine and tools like Alexa, Hotbot, Look Smart. Uh, 1998 is the birth year of Google. Microsoft introduced the MSN search engine, and Yahoo launched Yahoo Search web search. By the 2006 search engine traffic reportedly grown to 6.4 billion in a single month. When web After the arrival of Web 2.0 launched, the people started using internet actively rather than casually. Uh, Web 2 permitted user to communicate and share information with other users more prominently. After Web 2, social media sites sparked in web, like MySpace. Yes, MySpace was the first social networking followed by the Google, Facebook, by the Facebook. Yes, that emerges of social sites. Companies got opportunities to showcase and market and promote their product and services. Yes. uh, to match up with the digital marketing platform in to match up with the digital marketing platform, social companies also needed new uh, ideas and strategies to promote their product and services, and new way to bankroll on social networking sites. Some There is boundless or immenseless benefit of social and digital marketing. Digital marketing is much cheaper than traditional marketing. Hence, today's world, people moved to phone, tablets, uh, computers. So it takes less time period to reach a vast audience instantly for the uh, around around the world. We can reach people just instantly by using social media sites or internet, by digital media. Earlier, there was one hurdle in traditional marketing, that is to store and save customer database. But in digital marketing, it is more easier to save data because of advanced technology. We experiencing a and experiencing every day the evolvedness of digital marketing and technologies. There are 5 Ds in digital marketing, digital services, digital content platforms, digital media, digital data, and digital technology. And here is let's look some method and ways to uh, promote our services and product or brand, that is content, how that is content promotion, social media like Facebook or Instagram, content promotion, social media marketing, and search engine marketing like yeah, Google, Yahoo, Microsoft Edge or Firefox, email marketing like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, instant message marketing, affiliate marketing, and video marketing like YouTube. And uh, that's for all today. And hope I succeeded to explain you about digital marketing or digital media. Next, I will surely provide you more information about digital marketing in depth. Till then, happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And guys, encourage me always. Bye bye.